So hello guys, welcome back in my new video, and in today's video I will show you how to download VirtualBox for your Kali Linux or any Debian based distro. So we will follow the commands. We will use terminal to download VirtualBox. So our very first command is to update our repos and packages. Okay, so I will use the very first three commands for preparation purpose. Okay, so that your VirtualBox can run smoothly without any error while opening it. Okay, so after updating you need to fully upgrade your system. Okay, Kali Linux. So here I have used the full upgrade command, and it's easy. Just follow the commands as I am showing you, and the commands will also be listed in description. Okay, so if you face any type of problem while doing so, then you can ask or comment your problem, then I can solve it and I will surely reply your comments. Okay, so it's done, the upgrading part is done. Now we will reboot our system. It's a majorly important step to do so before downloading VirtualBox. Okay, majority cases I have seen the VirtualBox or any hypervisor platform doesn't work in Kali new versions. They are not working in a good manner. Okay, they are stucking somehow, but by this process in 2025 which I am showing you, it is quite good. It will work and you are able to use VirtualBox in your Kali Linux or any Debian based distro. So after using this command, your laptop or PC will switch off. It will reboot. Okay. So after rebooting, the very first step is to update your repos. Again you need to update. So the update command is same, sudo apt update. Okay. Specify with your password and then it's done. Yeah. Then our next step is to download VirtualBox. Okay. So for downloading VirtualBox, the commands are on your screen. Okay, sudo apt install VirtualBox Linux headers. All commands will be listed in description, as it is also on the video. You can see it, and by switching you can do in your laptop by seeing this video also. Okay, so basically what is a virtualization platform? Many of them will see, if they are new watching this video, they don't know what is VirtualBox, then I want to say that it's a virtualization platform in which you can run multiple OS operating system on a above layer of your main OS. Okay, basically it's create a layer on your main OS without affecting your main operating system, and you can run various types of operating system and you can see how they work. You can understand. Basically it's an important part in cyber security. For it's basically a good practice. Okay, for a hacking lab setup or any other thing it's required. Maybe it's virtualization platform like VirtualBox or any other hypervisors like VMware. Okay, so there are many types of virtualization platforms, and there are many types of hypervisors also. There are two types of hypervisors, which are hypervisor type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is basically the server level. It is basically used by the servers. Okay, basically VMware provide a server where the virtualization platform used to run, and this it's the main OS only. It will be the virtualization platform, and the second type is this particular thing which I am showing you, which is running on a main OS. Okay, so like for example you are on Windows or Kali, then you are using virtualization platform, and under virtualization platform you are using Red Hat or Arch Linux. You are using Arch Linux, or you are using a Kali Linux. Again, You are using Kali inside Kali. How interesting it is. It sounds cool. Okay, so like this you can do. So you can also use Windows inside Windows. Okay, so like this it's quite good. You need to learn this, how it works. Okay, in our upcoming videos we will cover much more thing regarding this. Okay, in cybersecurity, virtualization is important so that you can't leave any type of footprints while doing any type of scanning or pen testing, or if you are a professional, then also it is important for everyone so that your main host is not affected, main host system is not affected. Okay, for whatever thing you are doing. And if it's corrupted, you can use snapshots. You can again regain that particular OS from where you have started, from particular process where you have started. You can again reach there without affecting it. Okay, so it's around 82% and it's done. And we will also see in this video that how to download the extension pack which is there with virtualbox. Okay, so basically I will download it from this particular terminal only, and we will see that the particular extension is already installed in virtualbox. Okay, we don't need to install it by second hand, it is already installed if we follow these steps which I will show you. For extension pack there is another command which we need to run, and then there are some instructions to follow which I will show. Okay, first let this virtualbox be downloaded. If you are getting something informative, then please like this video and subscribe. Okay, yeah, 98% done. Let's see. It's around 70 MB I think so, virtualbox, and it's taking quite time, but I am showing you the full process. You can skip the video. Okay, I am showing you the full process because so that you can get one idea how things work. Okay, if you face any type of problem, then you can just comment in comment section. Okay, in our next video we will see how to install or download Red Hat Linux. Okay, in your virtualization platform, how to run that particular Red Hat Linux. Okay, basically an enterprise Linux software, an operating system basically used for professionals. Okay, it's also a major part of Linux. So let's see when it will complete. Okay, yeah, completed. It has taken huge time. Okay, now we will download the extension pack. Okay, so the command is here: install virtualbox-ext, and then just follow the commands. And the commands are case sensitive. Don't think like if you will type uppercase I, then it will be installed. It can give some error or you can face some problems. Okay, so carefully write commands and do your task. Okay, so for this you need to follow. If it shows like more, it will be interrupted if you refuse it. Okay, so if it shows more, then hit enter. Okay, If you will hit enter, then again it will ask for some permissions, then again hit enter accordingly. See, I will show you. I will have hit enter, the license version is showing. Okay, again hit enter, then the client and all again, then you need to hit enter again and again. Okay, do you accept the terms of virtual license? Then write yes, and then the progress will start. Okay, and after the progress everything will be done. Okay, it's quite easy, but you need to follow these steps. Okay, it's a very, very important part of video. If you done anything wrong, then it can corrupt. Successfully installed Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, so it's done. Now you can go in your application part and you can search for VirtualBox. Okay, just in search bar write VirtualBox and it's there, VirtualBox. Okay, just hit double tap on it and it will be opened. Yeah, so if you will check for extension pack, then you can see that the extension pack is already installed there, as I have told you that it will be already installed. Okay, so if you face any type of problem, then please comment, and if it's informative, then please like and subscribe. Okay, bye.